Now, one of the most questions that we get a lot is, suppose we are using a pen tool. So click on P, and let's say we are using a pen tool to draw a path, just like this, and maybe hold down the Control or the Alt, click somewhere else. So how to continue on this? So maybe you have selected a different tool. How do you continue this path? Just click on P, make sure you have the pen tool selected. Then when you hover over this, so let me hover over this, and when you reach the last point, you see it shows you a symbol. That's the connect symbol. Click on it and it is going to bring back the handles, or it is going to connect you back to the path. Then from here we can continue the path. So just like this, and then we end, and then from here we can end the path. All right.